And so here we are with our summer red raspberries, and we're going to prune them out. We're going to thin them out a little bit, get them more towards a row. They spread quite a bit. So here's one right here that's spread out from where it's planted. This one's spread out quite a bit. So we're getting back in line, and we're also going to prune off what fruited last year. So we'll just cut them shortly before, where they flowered and produced fruit last year. And just to make it easier, we brought the wheelbarrow inside the fenced-in area, and we're gonna load up the wheelbarrow with the prunings, with the spent canes as we go. That way we don't have a mess to come back and clean up later. Quick look during the pruning process. We have Prelude right here, thinned out, pruned, and then we have Boyne right here, this row on the right, and they're not thinned out and they're not pruned yet. So a little more work to do. And then we have the sour cherries over here on the left. All right, we have our summer red raspberries, Prelude and Boyne, all thinned out, pruned out, back in line. They're looking pretty good. We still have to do a little weeding in underneath the brambles, and we have to get some herbicide down. We're going to try Avenger this year. It's an organic herbicide to help for some of these perennial weeds that can be difficult. So we'll try that. We'll take you along with us when we do. In an upcoming video, we'll discuss marketing berries at farmers markets, the pros, the cons, and we'll take you along with us for that as well. But for right now, it's a beautiful day, high of 66 or so, which is absolutely fantastic. I got to view most of it from work, but I was able to get a little bit done here in the berry patch. So off to get the greenhouse set for the night, and then off to the homestead to get some work done there. See the girls before they go to bed, and get a bite to eat. So thanks for watching. Hope everyone's having a great day, or had a great day wherever you are.